Hi, boys and girls. So now you guys have already watched the video of how to make your own compost pile, and now this is how you guys are going to post your compost pile. So down here at the bottom, you're going to see a click here for Padlet. You're going to click on that link, and it's going to take you to the page where you have write all your questions, answered all the questions in the forms like you did on the previous pages. There you're going to post the picture of what you're going to put in your compost pile and what your compost pile looks like. Now, I know you're not going to be able to do this right there right on the first day you're making your compost pile. You can if you want to post what you're putting in there. But over time, if you want to do it every day, post a picture of what you're putting in it or the progression of your compost pile. Or if you just want to post the last day of your compost pile of the foods and everything that you have on the ground or in the container that you put in there, that's also fine too.